Okay, let's go.
Hello and welcome. This is Smart Root Educational Hub Limited and I am Okoje Christian Omije. Today we want to look at the number-based system and we will be converting from any base number to base 10. Stay with us as I show you some simple tricks on how it is done. The number-based system. We have different bases, right? We have base 10. Yes, we have base 10. We have base 2. We have base 3 and so many others. So how can we differentiate between all of these bases? Now it's very simple, the unique digits, right? For base 10 comprises of digits from 0 to 9, while base 3 comprises of digits from 0 to 2, and base 2 comprises of digits from 0 to 1. Now there are other base systems, but for today's class, we'll be working with base 2. Okay, so quickly, let's go to base 2. Let's get a number in base 2. Let's say we have this number, 1101 in base 2. As you have observed or you have seen, I had to write the base here, right? That's the base, the 2 there shows that this number is in base 2. And now I want to convert to base 10. So what do I do? It's very simple. The first thing you need to do is to give this number 1101 powers, right? And the power starts from 0. Now, if you're converting from base 3, it is the same thing. So let's give this numbers powers. This will be 0. Let me use my black. This will be 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? These are the powers. Now remember, this number is in base 2. Now we want to convert to base 10. So what do? We start with this first number, 1 times the base times 2 raised to the power 3, right? Raised to the power 3. We plus the next number is 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus the next is 0 times 2 base raised to power 1 plus, and the next is 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. We have done. What do we do next? We add or we solve. So 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, right? 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 8. So this becomes 1 times 8 plus 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. This becomes 1 times 4. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. This becomes 0 times 2. And 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. Now, if you check my video on laws of indices, you see where I emphasized on this law. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. So we have 1 times 1 here. 1 times 8 is 8. Plus 1 times 4 is 4, plus 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 0 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is 13 in base 10. That means to say 1101 in base 2 is equal to 13 in base 10. So we have another question on the board, 122 in base 3, we want to convert to base 10. Now I told you the methods are the same as far as you're converting from any base to base 10. So let's go, 122 in base 3 to base 10. What do? The first thing we do is to give our numbers powers, and I told you the power must start with 0. So we have 0, 1, and 2. And next, what do? We multiply this by the base and raise to the power. So 1 times the base, which is 3 raised to power 2, plus 2 times the base, which is 3 raised to power 1, plus 2 times the base raised to power 0, right? So 3 raised to power 2 is what? 9. That is 3 times 3. So this becomes 1 times 9 plus 3 raised to power 1 is 3. So this becomes 2 times 3 plus 3 raised to power 0 is 1. Remember I told you about that rule in our laws of indices. So this becomes 2 times 1. Now let's see. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 1 is 2. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So our answer is 17 in base 10. I hope you've been able to pick one or two things from today's lesson. We've learned how to convert from any base to base 10, from base 2, base 3, base 5, base 7 to base 10. And the method applies for all bases. In our next video, we'll be learning how to convert from base 10 back to these bases. Now, I told you this is Smart Root Educational Hub. We are into online tutoring and so many others. Please check us out on all our social media platforms, on TikTok, on YouTube, and also on Facebook. And you can book us for your online teaching services. We have qualified teachers that personalize learning for your child. Thank you.